How well do you know the words? Let's get started. Festive performance in some regions. Fire dragon dance. Traditional guessing games. Lantern riddles. Decorative art. Paper cutting. Celebratory displays. Fireworks. Used in festival banners. Calligraphy. Central theme of the festival. Reunion. Central tradition of the festival. Moon gazing. A beloved traditional dessert. Glutinous rice balls. One of the most symbolic fruits. Pomelo. A gift basket filled with festive items. Mid-autumn hamper. An event with illuminated lanterns. Light show. Classic filling for mooncakes. Lotus seed paste. King of fruits filling for mooncakes. Durian. A symbol of wholeness. Full moon. A folk theatrical performance. Shadow puppetry.